Don't forget that my free course on how to do Amazon private label is coming out on June 1st. You guys can sign up in the link below to actually get on the email list for that, but don't do that until after the video is over. A lot of you cannot find good products to sell on Amazon, even after a lot of research, or you find products and the products then fail. I'm going to show you guys how to find winning products by understanding the niche of the niche, understanding the really sub niche here in this video. So you're probably wondering why I'm sitting in front of two different viral launch Chrome extension screenshots. And now that's because these are two different products that I have found in the last couple weeks that have no competition. And let me explain what that means. It doesn't mean that they have no competition in their market. It means that in their sub-niche of their niche, their exact product, nobody else is selling that. This guy right here on the left, this is actually one of my competitors of my product. So I actually had one of the big Amazon gurus, one of the guys with a lot of subscribers here on YouTube, and he looked at my niche in one of his videos, and he looked at it for less than 30 seconds and said, gosh, there are no sales here, this is a garbage niche, and moved on to the next screenshot. Okay, now the problem with what he didn't do and what 90% of you are doing wrong is that you need to look at the sub niches of the niche, because what he didn't see is that the first half of the page for my product is selling well, and then the bottom half of the page is selling almost not at all. But there is one guy in there who decided to innovate 4, 5, 6 months ago and made a better product. Now it's nothing that's patented, but he has now a better product. He is really killing it. You can see with 1,400 sales a month, but he's the only guy with that product. So if you come into this market, this is my plan, by the way. I actually ordered his product, and I sent samples of his exact product to my current supplier in China, and I should be getting some quotes on that pretty soon. That's where I'm at now. But when I come in here with the exact same product as him, better because his pictures are not really good. They're actually pretty bad pictures. Come in there with a better listing, and it's very easy to get ranked on the first page because half the bottom page doesn't even sell very many units. Do you think I'm going to sell some units of this product? And the same thing here with the second product. I was working with a student. He was looking at this product, and I said, "Well, hold it, man. There is one product on this page that nobody else is selling. Why don't you try and source this instead of all these other products?" So let me help you explain what I mean by the niche of the niche. I've kind of been ambiguous so far. So looking at the Rubik's Cube market here. Now this is a market that's really crowded right now. So it's not something you probably want to go into, but there might still be some potential. What do I mean by that? You see there's so many different kinds of colors and shapes. There's this triangle one. There's this like 6-sided one. Maybe this guy is the only guy selling a triangle-shaped Rubik's Cube, and he is just selling a ton of units, and no one has come in to compete with another Rubik's Cube. So even though the entire Rubik's Cube market might be a bad market to go into, this one type of Rubik's Cube might be a really good opportunity. Same thing here with this Rubik's Cube, the 6-sided one. Maybe he is the only guy selling this, and no one's coming to compete. So same thing here with this glow-in-the-dark one. He's only got 6 reviews, and he's on the first page. I have no clue how many sales he's doing, but the point is that when you look at a market, don't just look at the first page, quickly glance over the sales and the reviews and be like, wow, this is a good or bad market. To find those truly winning products that other people aren't finding, take some time, look at the market, and analyze every single part of it. If I sell this product, are the products at the high end of the market doing really well? Maybe there's only one guy selling at the top end of the market, and he's just selling a ton of units, but nobody else decided to enter that market yet. Maybe there's only one guy entering the low end of the market. Nobody else decided to sell his product in its really stripped down form. Maybe that's where you can enter the market. So even though that this one market doesn't look very good, maybe there is 1 or 2 specific niches within that market that are really good. So that's how you can find winning products, especially that you can launch with not a lot of money. Because if there's one guy selling that product, he's already doing really well, and you come in and compete, it's going to be a lot easier for you than if you just release the same product everybody is on the first page, which is what I see a lot of you doing. Guys, hit that subscribe button and let me know below in the comments if you have any questions and what you're thinking about this video, and I'll see you in the next one.